Alright, so here's the passenger side isolator. You got your ground connection there, and this would plug into your actual defroster. Now I know I've already made one for this other side over here, but this time I am doing the passenger side. Now for this to work, you do need a tap and die set, because this hole over here is not threaded, so I had to thread this hole, which is I think I want to say 6 by 125, I think I want to say on it, and there's just that hole there you want to thread there, therefore you can get this eyelet to hold into place. That does line up, so you got the screw hole there, there's your stud there, and your lock connector, this piece here. So basically, get it in place and just push it into it, and go and start your bolt. Alright, I got that screwed in. That's the way it sits. Now mine, I already had a connector, this one here, that was into the defroster. I do not need that, so that will be just tucked away. Because this side, the passenger side, at least on the 2017, is the ground connection. So you're pretty much just grounding it from the defroster to the body of the car through this isolator here. And all it is, you just want to find out what this tab is. The tab piece goes on the top. Well, I don't think this one does have a tab. But anyways, it just slides right into place. You'll hear a little click sound and you're all good to go. So that's all toot for this side here. You want to see what the driver's side looks like? Basically, I had unplugged. The driver's side will have two connectors, an outlet and an inlet one. So this one here was plugged into the actual defroster. I had unplugged it from the defroster, plug it into the isolator, then the isolator itself wire I had to plug into there. Then here's a bolt, of course, it holds it into place. Only other thing I'm missing there, which I should get it today, is the actual radio antenna module. And that would plug into there, and you just ground it right to there. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.